Hey everyone, you might be wondering if ChatGPT Atlas, the new web browser from OpenAI, is available on iPhone. Well, unfortunately, not yet. As of now, there's no official way to install or use ChatGPT Atlas on your iPhone. If you head over to the official website, you'll see that it clearly says download for macOS. That means you can download and use it on a MacBook or Mac desktop, but there's no version for iPhone at the moment. The only way you could technically try it on an iPhone would be through some sort of virtual machine setup, but that's not really practical for most people. Now the good news is that OpenAI has mentioned that ChatGPT Atlas will eventually expand to other platforms. So in the future we can expect it to roll out to iPhones, Android devices, and maybe even Windows PCs, basically anywhere you can run Google Chrome or Safari. So for now, you'll just have to wait a little longer. It's coming, just not yet. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates like this one. I appreciate all of you, and I'll catch you in the next video.